Today I will teach you how to use MUBEAT. First, you have to install the app. You can create account using Facebook, Twitter, Google, or email. To collect bits, just click on the store button at the upper right. Just click on watch video ads. You can watch 15 ads per account. You have to finish the ads until the end or else the bits won't be saved. You can also earn bits by participating in missions. Just click on participate in missions below watch video ads. Example of missions there is you have to install apps and play it like that. If you still don't know what's the use of this app, I will tell you. This app is important because we will use this for pre-voting in one music shows that BLACKPINK is attending when they have new songs. This is for pre-voting of music core. The reason why we have to collect bits is because it is what we will use to vote during the votings. This voting is one of the criteria to identify who will win a trophy in the music core. BLACKPINK members solos and BLACKPINK's comeback is coming soon. We have to be prepared. Let's give them more music show wins. Here is the bits guidelines. You can pause the video to read them. Heartbeats is the one we will use to vote for pre-voting on music core. It will expire every 90 days after the bits are collected. You can see it yourself when you install the app. Just click on store and click the about bits at the upper right of watch video ads and you will be seeing this information. Now I will show you the previous votings here that BLACKPINK is not nominated there because they have no comeback yet. So let's see. Just come back to home, then click this one that I'm encircling. Then here we can see the previous votings and who won the votings. Let's see this one, the latest one. Wait, the connection is slow. The voting has ended already, but as you can see, Kang Daniel win this pre-voting. Now I will tell you another use of this app. You can watch K-pop videos here too. Also, not to mention, but if we BLINKS stream BLACKPINK videos here, there will be a benefit. This app is connected to Gaon Social Chart. Currently, we're doing well on Gaon Social. BLACKPINK has been in #1 in social for the past weeks. We have to be consistent. If BLACKPINK have been in #1 for at least half of this year, they would win an award on the next Gaon Chart Music Awards. Do you remember when they won Social Hot Artist at Gaon Chart Music Awards on January 2021? That's the award for being the artist with most #1 on Gaon Social Chart. If you want BLACKPINK to have that award again, you should stream in MUBEAT. Also, there is a community here where you can interact with BLINKS. If you want to stream and interact with BLINKS in the community, just click on the search button at the bottom and search for BLACKPINK. Here is my bits. There is a time when I obtained the bits and when will be its expiration date. I forgot to mention that in every ads you watch, you will receive 3 bits. In this app, you can create mini accounts. The more accounts you have, the more bits you will earn. This is how to log out. If you want to open your other account, just click on log out, then log in again. That's it. That's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.